Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. Along with deployable side steps, making it even easier to gain entry into the vehicle. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. The vehicle also features a deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find a perforated semi-aniline Perlino leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort for any journey. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 19,272 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Bluetooth connectivity, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, along with terrain response drive modes, ride height, and of course your weight sensing, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. This also features an off-road mode, ideal for those off-road days. You also have the tow bar settings, allowing you to deploy it from within the comfort of the cabin. The front seats in this vehicle are massage seats, which is ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay warm and comfortable no matter what. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, also ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. And pairing with this nicely, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.